Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are good. In this video, we are going to see another AI tool which will do most of your office tasks. Like it will create a presentation or any article you are trying to. It just you can give it as a prompt. It will generate the full article. It will generate the images. Uh, any by just getting the text from you, it will generate the article. You can just iterate over what are the things you really need. It's uh, it's fantastic. You just want to try it once. For example, I'm going to generate top 5 mm, books to read in 2025. This is the prompt I'm going to use. Means the tool name is napkin. It's a fantastic. It's free version also. We can use that for this tutorial purpose. It generates visuals from our text, PowerPoint, Word, everything we can get into here. We can polish, generate icons, connect colors, everything. To generate the PPT presentation or blogs, social media, any documentation, everything we can do from this. Okay, let's get into the tutorial for now. I already have an account, so I'm logged in. You can just sign in with your Google accounts or Microsoft or just with email, uh, according to your wish. I just want to create. So already I have done one thing. Blank napkin. Okay. Okay. For now, I'm going to generate a text with using the can take the content from ChatGPT, which my topic is about top 5 books to read in 2025. Okay, I think what it is missing. Okay, it's writing for me the article. Just see, just I entered the tab, the article itself, just most of the contents already. You can add or remove according to our wish. You can see the left in an icon. It's by hovering it, we can see that generate visual. It will create the visuals by analyzing the text from here. No, see here it is creating. It's an amazing, right? You can choose the styles how you want to do, like 2025 literacy, picture and this. See guys, just from analyzing the text, it generates the uh, whole image itself. It has so many varieties of article. We can use this for our presentation or in our blog writing, everything. It's so simple, right? You just want to give your content. The images can be created from here. It's I like it very much. These two. Yeah, this one is I like. From here, we can just look the styles more. In every diagram, we can have select these choices. I think it's good to see. Yeah, check on this one also. We can. Oh, it's thinking about the last echo. The what are the main topics they have covered in that book? It's taking that content and generating the. It's amazing, right? It is not covered in this text. It is taken from the web, the data from in the web, and it's analyzing and generating the diagram. Okay, this one is fine for me. Uh, it's look good for me. And then like we can create more visuals, or we can edit, we can download the image itself as a PNG, SVG. Background is on. Okay, we can remove the background. Dark. Yeah, I like this dark mode. We can download it here. See, it's completed. We can add a sketch. Oh, I can do this. We can make a curve. Oh, it's like escape to cancel. We can label it here. Spark search. Okay, I just trying cat. Oh, see, this tool is amazing, right? We can do use it in our articles or blogs. The option we can change the background color. Yeah, this one is nice for me. Ratio, change style. We can change the style after we do image. We can do down paste the images from anywhere, like from our drag and drop or anything. It's I wish currently I'm not doing any the images I'm adding here now. Guys, see, this is amazing, right? At last we can or add a comment. We can add a comment from my point. We am currently removing it. We can share it with anyone can view with the link, and we can add that. We can download it as PDF. A4 size single continuous, okay. Or presentation or for me, okay. See, it's downloaded. It's amazing, right? Within 5 minutes we created one article. And I downloaded generate is auto data. We can explore more of the content, but I think I complete most of the things here. I think I covered most of the things here. Please do check this. It will be useful, maybe useful for you. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If any of the things you have to give feedback about my content or how is my communication skills, you can give it as a comment. Thank you. See you in another video. Have a nice day.